The fairy tale weaving panel is like a magical realm where houses, animals, and trees come alive, becoming your child's closest companions. Houses transform into secret castles, animals turn into adventure buddies, and trees stand as guardians of their stories. As children weave tales with their tiny hands, these little friends whisper back, accompanying them through every joyful moment. Each playtime is a journey of growth. Every interaction becomes a cherished memory. More than a toy, the fairy tale weaving board is a childhood friend, witnessing every giggle and milestone.